Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change the default browser in Windows 10 and 11. Let's start with the settings method. First, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Go to Apps. Then click on Default Apps, scroll down to Web Browser, and click on the current default. Choose your preferred browser from the list, like Chrome Internet Explorer. You can also change other default Windows apps here. Now, let's look at the second method using the browser itself. Open your desired browser, take Chrome for example. Click on the three dot, then click on Settings. Locate the Default Browser option. Here click on Make Default. It will automatically jump to the default app page. After set, return to the Chrome settings. You can see that Google Chrome is your default browser. Now you've successfully changed your default browser in Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.